Minister for Commerce and Industry Piyush Goyal stated the government is working on a bilateral trade agreement as was decided between the Prime Minister Modi and the United States President Donald Trump in February. His remark came in the face of the tariff imposed by the Trump administration. Piyush Goyal assured the business person that the government is keeping India's interest at the forefront and expressed hope that the bilateral trade agreement will power the economy towards the Viksit Bharat 2047. Also, on the United States tariff impact, Union Minister Piyush Goyal told the ANI, "We are working on a bilateral trade agreement as was decided between the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the United States President Donald Trump in February. We had a series of engagement, all of which are going in the right direction. Also, we are covering the wide area of the subjects and projects. Also, I can assure business person across the country that we are keeping India's best interest at the forefront. Our bilateral trade agreement will power the economy towards the Viksit Bharat in the 2047. Meanwhile, the United Minister of the Hardeep Singh Puri also said, Union Minister Hardeep Puri on Tuesday said he was confident India will emerge stronger from the fallout of the United States administration tariff once the bilateral trade agreement between the two partner countries is finalized. I'm confident that India will do very well under the very able and the wise leader like Prime Minister Narendra Modi and his team, he told reporters when asked to react to the President Trump's reciprocal tariff on trade partners. Since assuming office for his second term, President Donald Trump has reiterated his stance on the tariff reciprocity, emphasizing that the United States will match tariff imposed by other countries, including India, to ensure the fair trade. Also, faced with Trump's reciprocal tariff, a few countries have in retaliation imposed additional tariff on the United States good, escalating trade tensions. India has, however, refrained from any such move as both countries are actively working on a trade pact. We will come out of this stronger than we are. Every challenge presents an opportunity and India will take advantage of it, he supplemented. We'll have to see